Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for a particular app that you want to share as APK from your Android phone to your WhatsApp. So for instance, I'm going to use this particular app as an example. What I'm going to do is to click and hold down. And the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on share. Then go ahead and click on WhatsApp. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and select a particular contact that you want to share the app with. So from your WhatsApp contact detail right there, I'm going to go ahead now and select this contact. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on send icon. And here we go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on share. Then you have the app sent as APK. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.